Hi, I'm Tiekka. Welcome to Everyday Ballet, where we bring gorgeous classical ballet principles, training, and style to everyday life. You don't need to have a dancer's body. You don't need to know anything about ballet. I'm here to show you everything about ballet and how to use it for your life. In this video, I'm so excited to be sharing with you an excerpt from my Ballet Body Joy class. Now, you've heard the expression dancing for joy. Well, that is the fundamental reason that we all dance, whether we're ballerinas or any other dance form. And I think it's just so important, especially with ballet, where it's easy to be perfectionistic or critical, that we invite joy into our practice. So this excerpt is from my Ballet Body Joy class. You can get the full class with my ballerina body training platform or go over to everydayballet.com. But I really hope you'll enjoy this. I'm so delighted you're here. Let's ballet. In this exercise, we are going to see one of our smoother, more elegant steps at the ballet bar. It's called rond de jambe. Jambe means leg and rond means circle. So we're going to be making a circle of the leg. Now it's really a half circle because we're standing on one leg and then we're doing just that one half of the circle as we go around. So let's go over what we're thinking about here. With the heels together and the toes gently apart in first position, our first movement is going to be to stretch the toes in front of the nose. This is the straight edge of our semicircle. And now from here, with the toes on the ground, we keep stretching through the toes to the knee and we take it all the way around to the back. And then that is the end of our semicircle. Now we want to draw a straight edge through first position. So we lift up, we stretch the legs, the heels kiss, mwah, and then we stretch forward again. So we go around and straight and around and straight. Now we can also reverse this. So if we reverse it, we start to the back. We do a straight edge and a semicircle, straight leg, straight edge, and semicircle. The goal here is to keep our posture hovering and beautiful and poised as the leg is circling independently. And what this means is we don't want our hips twisting as we do the rond de jambe. So in order to accomplish that, feel like you have cabinet doors here. And as you're going around, the cabinet doors are opening. That will keep the pelvis stable, especially from the back. The cabinet doors are opening. That way the hips won't twist towards that circling leg. We will be lifting the leg off the floor just a little bit. It's not important how high the leg is. What is important is the height of the spine and that gorgeous posture. So when you lift the leg off of the ground, keep it low, and then we'll see the toe coming to the knee. Notice the knee has opened out and the hips are still facing forward. We're going to see that beside, and we're going to see that behind. What's important here is not the height of the leg, but the posture. So just try to keep that quiet pelvis. You want to give that quiet shush to the pelvis as you're moving while maintaining a beautiful lift in your core. Gorgeous music, so smooth, so tender. I really hope you'll enjoy it. Just try to be the music here. All right, let's do rond de jambe. Lifting the fingertips up and open. We start with 6 rond de jambes forward. Here we go. Front, around, pass, around, front, smooth circles. Open the cabinet doors on the hip bones. Hugging in at the core, floating up above the legs. And now lift the leg just a little bit and bring it in. Open out, bring it in, and reach, point, plie, and toss, and folding forward. And now we go to the back. Open the cabinet doors on the hip bones, smooth and building, pressing the floor with the foot. And 2 more here. And hugging in, reaching And now reaching off just a little bit. Open the knee as the toe comes to the knee. Open, hugging in, bring the toe in. And to the front. And lower, and plie, toss, and lift the chest. And now we do it again. This time let's add the arm if you like. Otherwise, you can keep the arm out to the side. Floating. So we're drawing a huge circle with our arm. But of course, the hard thing is it's going slower than the bottom leg. Good. And lifting off to the front. And bringing it in. And opening out. And bringing it in. And reach to the back. And lower, plie. Toss. Floating forward. Good. Last set, we're going to reverse that arm. Try to keep the legs straight here. Hugging in. Opening the cabinet doors. That's it. Beautiful. Reaching out. Last one, reach. And reaching off. Toe to knee. And open. Bringing it in. And forward. And point. Plie. Toss. Open the chest. And a little demi-plie. And stand. Beautiful. There's such a radiance in that music that I hope you can feel. All right, let's do the other side. Standing in first position, lift the fingertips, open the chest, light touch on your bar. Starting forward with 6 rond de jambes. Take it around. It's a smooth circle. Feel like you're hovering through your waistline. And forward. Open the cabinet doors. And forward. Smooth. Straight legs the whole way through. And brushing off just a little bit. Widen out through the knee. Keep reaching through the toe, through the knee. And bring it in. And extend. Lower. Plie. Toss. And fold. Reach. Starting to the back. Reach and stretch. Very quiet feeling in the pelvis. Open the cabinet doors right here. Open. That's it. Heels kiss on the way through. Last one. Hugging in, reaching out. Bring the toe to the knee, wide at the knees. Stretch open and bring it in. And a reach. Point, plie, toss. And lift the chest. Now adding the arm if you like. An arm's going to move slowly, slower than the leg. That's kind of the hard part here. Floating through the arm. Good. 2 more. Reaching out with the eyes with the fingertips. Good. And brushing off. And bring it in. And open. Bring it in. And a reach, point, plie, and push, and fold. And now reverse, last set. Hugging in, reaching out. Eyes can follow the hands. And here's 4. And here's 5. And here's 6. And reaching off, hugging in, reaching out, toe to knee, and open. Draw the toe in, and extend, and point, plie, toss, and lift the chest. And a little plie here, and standing, and just feeling a light on your cheek right there. Beautiful, beautiful work. Yeah, anytime we're doing those slow, smooth numbers in ballet, it's such a great opportunity to really kind of come into your body and allow yourself to feel beauty. What could be more joyful and joyous than feeling beauty in your own body? So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe. And if you're looking for more everyday ballet, definitely check out my ballerina body program and my on-demand videos that are available at everydayballet.com. So delightful to have you here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dancing.